My signature lemon bread is here. It's a one of a kind. Just like you and me. Ingredients. This week, I'm going back in time with the creation of my very own Renaissance lemon bread. This is a sweet bread, much like a banana bread. This is a moist lemon only bread made with 0 gluten, 0 dairy. The ingredients are simple, but they're so wholesome. There's almond flour, rice flour, sunflower oil, cold press organic of course, a little bit of baking powder, sugar, and guess what? A whole lemon boiled. We're going to use all of it. Boil the entire thing and blend it inside this lemon bread. This is the pasta with lemon bread. In this video, you will learn the technique that goes back to the Renaissance, Italian Renaissance, and the pastry secrets of the royal court. Now, how do we do the lemon? How long do you cook the lemon for? How do you blend it? What happens when you boil it? And how do we mix it into this lemon bread? You're gonna see how simple it is to assemble these very few ingredients, completely gluten-free and dairy-free. Our gorgeous whole lemon is ready. Why did we boil? This is an ancient, not so ancient for us, the Renaissance is basically yesterday, of boiling the entire lemon. Peel, pith, juice, everything in its entirety until it goes completely soft. This makes the bitterness of the lemon lose its strength and gives you the ability in pastry to blend the entire thing and still have that gorgeous, prominent lemon essential oil stand versus the pith, which is usually more bitter. So we've cooked the entire thing. We're gonna blend it. Not only we're gonna use those gorgeous essential oils, but also all the benefits of the pith. If you research the pith of the lemon, it's quite incredible. People used to make infusions to heal themselves of various ailments. It's incredible nutritional value, antiseptic, antiviral, and gorgeousness. And you smell like lemon at the end. What else do you want from life? I don't know. Now we have completely boiled the lemon. It has become sweeter. We cut it, slice it, and take the seeds out. Now, cold press organic sunflower oil. A lot lighter than avocado oil, which I usually use. Almond flour, rice flour, pinch of sea salt, we got a bread pan, we buttered it and floured it. Tap it lightly to distribute. In the oven between 40 to 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure you keep an eye on it from 40 minutes to 50 minutes. Cake is out of the oven and it smells absolutely royally divine. While it cools down, we make our lemon glaze. Super easy. Powdered sugar and the juice of a lemon. I want to show you how impeccably gorgeous this bread of lemons is. We basically made a Renaissance lemon custard and created a cake out of it. And it doesn't move at all. Look how gorgeous it is. Just gorgeous! Nonna will be proud! This is my perfect morning breakfast over the summer. It is lemony, it is simple to store, it is absolutely dairy-free, it's gluten-free, and you can have on the counter. I wouldn't suggest passing the 4th day. I don't think you'll last that long anyways, but it's absolutely delightful. See you next week.